The Advanced Query tool allows you to create more complex queries than using the standard filters in the Query Wizard. Start by choosing the Advanced Query option at the bottom of the Query Wizard page. At the top of the screen, select the data source, the date range, and the detector that you want to use. Now you start to build your query. The Advanced Query tool allows you to create simple expressions based on a variable, operator, and value. You can then combine these simple expressions into complex expressions using and/or operators, which can then be grouped together using parentheses. So for example, we have the ability to choose an age group equal to a specific age and add that expression to our query. We can then use logical expressions like and or and use parentheses to group those expressions together. In the normal Query Wizard, each filter is joined by an AND operator. Also, anytime you select multiple options, those are grouped together with an OR. In AQT, the operator can be AND or in both situations. For instance, let's look at the region filter and choose Baltimore, Maryland. For age group, we'll choose 0 to 4. So any person between the ages of 0 to 4 and from Baltimore, Maryland will meet our query criteria. The flexibility of the Advanced Query tool is such that you can actually type values in as well. So I can change that and to an or. So now I'm looking for any 0 to 4-year-old from any region or someone from any age from Baltimore, Maryland. This is the added flexibility that is not available in the standard Query Wizard. After you have a query, you can save them as private expressions just for yourself to use in the future, or a public expression for other people on the system to use. Those private and public saved expressions are available under the variable list. From here, I can add additional expressions by just clicking on the button, and it will add that expression to the query window that I'm working with. Once I complete my query, I can validate it to make sure it is correct by clicking Validate Query. In the message area, you will see expression is valid. If the query is not valid, you will be given a description of what the error is. When you're ready, click Execute to run the query. This will take you to a time series page, and from there, you can use the configuration options to go to other Essence features with your new AQT query.